for this is a Fevicol, a paper which is brown, then a marker. Now let's start with it. So you have to turn it back. I have white, you will have brown also, or white you can have. Then you have to fold it like this. You have to touch it to here and you have to fold it. Then again unfold it, then again keep it this way, then do it like this. Now you will get it like this, like a cross mark. Next, here you have to do it, this is the correct fold, then here you have to do it like this. Okay, next, like this. Then you will get it like this. Then here you have to do it like this. So this is the ears. And over here. Next, we are going to fold it like this. And before that, you have to do it like this. So to make the shape of the head little good. Then over here, fold it. Then like this. Then turn it. See the ears now came proper. Next, here you have to do it like this. Okay, next, here you have to fold. This one you have to fold it little back like this. Next, we will just stick here. You can see that and all. No, you have to stick that with Fevicol. So I'll stick over here first. Then stick it. Now we'll go back side. Over here you have to put here glue. You are not going to put here glue, okay? You can put only over here. It's tough to put over there glue. Then over here. Then the same similar way here. Put here glue. Then over here. Then last thing over here. Next you're going to keep it like this. So if you want, you can stick over here also. You can see here. I'm going to stick. If you want, you can stick, or you can leave it like that. Next, now we're going to draw the details for this. So the eyes, nose, and this is the mouth. So we will draw it. You can use a marker or a sketch pen. You can do different kinds of eyes. I'm doing it over here like this. Then a circle, then color it, then like this, then like this. See, now we have finished this Boo Boo Bear. See, it's so cute. Now we are going to do koala. So the same materials, but here we are going to use here the grey paper, then the marker, then the Fevicol. Now let's start with it. So here you're going to do it like this, here like this, then unfold it, then like this, then here you'll get like cross mark, here then again you have to keep it in this position, so then you have to fold it like this. You can see a line here, no? You have to take this and fold it to that, both the sides. Then here you have to take one and then keep it like this. here, again pointing one here. So these two are the ears. Then we are going to fold it like this. Then like this. And over here. This is the head. So we are going to make it shape. Now we will turn it. So you'll get it like this. Then here we will give it like this. Then one more you can see over here, no? We are going to put it over here. You can see it over here. I'm putting it over here. You can see that hole. I'm putting it over there. Then I'm keeping it here and just measuring it. How much does it come? Sometimes it can come like this. So you have to put it little front. Yeah. Now we finished. Now we'll stick the extra parts here. Do not move it. Over here. Then over here. Then over here. And then over here. So this is the thick part. If you want, you can staple it or you can stick it with glue only. So you have to press it for a few minutes. Okay, we finished that. Over here, now we are going to stick it over here like here. Next, back. You can stick this inside, then you can put the glue, or you can do it like how I have done. I'm doing it like this. Next, now we'll give the eyes and every detail.